Hi everyone, my name is Grayson, and today I'm going to be talking about a project that I've been working on for the past few months. But before we get started, I wanted to tell you a little bit about myself. So I am currently working on the Bisque Imports marketing team, doing designing silk screens to blogging, graphic design, just a bunch of different things. And I am a student studying at the University of North Carolina, Wilmington. I am currently a senior, trying to get my degree in professional writing. So that's about me. Now we can talk about the book. So I illustrated and wrote this book. It started off as just a simple idea to do something with Chloe because she's so popular and everyone loves her so much. And then it turned out to be like a 16-page book. It's my first book I've ever written. Yeah, and the illustrations in the story just blended really well together and everything sort of came to life and meshed well. So yeah, I'm super excited to read it to y'all today. And let's get started. So before we actually start reading the book, I wanted to explain some of the options that y'all have with Bisque Imports regarding the book. So the first option that y'all have is just to buy the book individually. You can buy as many as you want for yourself, for your studio. If you have a bunch of Chloe's in your studio already, perfect, just get the book. But also, we have these two other kit options. So the first one is an unfired kit option. This is great because this is educational while also being fun and being with the family. So it comes with one Chloe, acrylic paints, or still got black, and one paintbrush, and the book. So you guys can do virtual classes. They can be fun at home for the family. You read the book, paint Chloe. They can paint Chloe like how she looks right here, or they can paint her however they want. Great for family fun, for friends, in your studio, for summer camp. The possibilities are endless. And the third option is a fired option. So this one comes with the book as well. One copy of the book and 3 Chloe's. 1, 2, 3. 3 paintbrushes. And as far as glaze goes, you have the option of picking Dunkin' glazes or Mako glazes. And you also get brush-on glaze. So this one will have to be most likely returned to the studio to be fired, but at the same time, it has a lot of options. There's 3 Chloe, so if you're having friends over, if you have a big family, if you just want 3 for yourself, great for summer camps. Highly recommend this option. So yeah, now let's read. Now for the fun part, the book. I'm going to try to get this as close to the camera as I can so y'all can read it too. Yeah, so the name of the book is Chloe the Caticorn, of course. And this is the cover. It's kind of have like a glossy feel to it, whereas the papers are more papery. But this is dedicated to all the Caticorn believers. And on the bottom right here, I needed to make a note because I thought it might be confusing if people heard me neigh, which is the noise that Chloe makes. I wanted to incorporate, since she's part cat, part unicorn, she needed to have a noise like a cat and a unicorn do. So I mixed meow with neigh to make me neigh. You'll hear it several times throughout the story. So I'm going to try to read this so y'all can see too. A meow was heard from the morning garden. Me neigh, me neigh. It was no normal meow. Not something from here anyhow. Mama Cat walked over near the weird sounds. What is that noise? She asked Dad Cat. Mama Cat slowly moved in closer. She gasped as a wild caticorn turned over. This little creature was no normal kitten. She had a special colorful horn. It sparkled, shined, and gleamed. Something only a magician could have dreamed. She's all alone. Let's bring her in, Dad Cat said. And what's her name to be? asked Mom Cat. I'm Chloe the Caticorn, Chloe said, looking up at her horn. I've been looking for my family ever since I was born. Chloe had spent nights alone in the lime green jungle. Inside the lotus plant is where she would bundle. She swam in the big deep blue too, even got lost in a giant caterpillar's goo. Chloe was just like these cats. You're family to us, no matter what, they'd say. But she had a horn. She wasn't a real kitten. Her caticorn meow didn't fit in. If there was a fall, the other cats would land on their feet, but Chloe's horn would send her toppling down, making her feel like a dorky clown. If it was mealtime, the other cats would eat just fine, but Chloe's horn wouldn't fit in the bowl, her tummy would rumble out of control. If it was playtime, the other cats would jump and fight, but Chloe's horn would poke too hard, so she'd always run off towards the backyard. Here she would think about where her family was. Should I keep looking for them? She asked herself. My horn keeps me from being normal, she thought to herself. Maybe I should run away again, she decided. Chloe walked towards the back gate. She looked back to get one last look at the nice cats who welcomed her. What she saw made her crumble to the floor. A loving me nay, she let soar. All the cats were wearing horns. They sparkled, shined, and gleamed just like hers. We love you, Chloe, horn or not, Dad Cat said. You like my horn? Chloe asked. Your horn is the most beautiful thing we've ever seen. Chloe was more at home than she'd ever been. Chloe looked up at her horn. I love my horn and my special meow. Me nay, all the cats shouted. The end. And then on the back, I have a little synopsis about what the book is about, and then some quotes from some local readers, and then a little bit about me. I'll read you some of the quotes. Chloe is magical, iconic, and I think I like her. Chad. Definitely adding this to my primetime bookshelf. Monty Belmont Publishing Company. Grayson's illustration paint Chloe in her natural magical light. Amazing storyline. Clay Viscarino.